Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a "this device is disabled" error message on your Windows computer. So I imagine this could be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And first thing we're going to do is actually go ahead and locate the service in the device manager. So take note of whatever the device is. So just go ahead and open up Device Manager here. Now you just want to locate whatever your device is in this list and just double click on the item category. Right click on the device itself, and if it's disabled, go ahead and enable the device. So if an item was disabled, it would say enable device here instead of disable device. So you go ahead and enable the device, and again, that's how you would go about resolving that problem. Another thing you can go ahead and try here if you're still having a problem would be to actually update the device. So like I said, we're already in here. Just go ahead and right click on it and select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers, and then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select this manufacturer specific one, otherwise you can select the generic one if that's the only one that's available. Then proceed to select next again. And then once that is done, you want to go close out of here with to just restarting your computer, and that should hopefully be about it, guys. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.